I'd like to show you a product we use here at Eakins Garage. We just got a new shipment in. Let's check it out. This is a good alternative to real wood, and some of the reasons I like it: it's lighter, it doesn't warp, doesn't require staining. If you scratch it, you can replace the top panel. Some of the trucks we've used it on is the 59 Apache. Kind of has a reddish, maroonish tint to it, and the way that truck was painted, it really pulls good with that color. Another truck we used it on is a 66 Chevy truck. It was gray, and we went with a gray wood on that. Here's a product we just got in. It's black aluminum bedwood. I like the product. It doesn't require staining, doesn't warp. Comes in multiple different configurations: long bed, short bed, step side, fleet side. These are just a few of the options that we've used on trucks that we've built, but there are so many more options out there. You can get different colors, you can get patterns put into it, you can get any logo you want. If you can provide it, you can have them printed on it. They offer a full gloss top coat to this instead of having this satin finish. If that's the look you want, you can get a full gloss top coat on top of it. And it's not just limited to truck beds. You can also put these in, well, if you needed a floor for the back of the Suburban, you could get one custom made for that. So on these runners, there's a lot of different options as well. These are stainless, but you can also get them in paintable or chromed or polished aluminum. You can also get them drilled for the bolts that go in them if you want that exposed bolt look like the factory. When you're ready to restore your ride, give us a call.